The ceilings in my garage are only 8.5 feet high, with a beam in the middle at about 7.5 feet. And you may be wondering how I'm able to fit underneath a complete Subaru WRX. Well, if you're a weekend warrior, a flipper, a content creator, or all of the above like I am, these MaxJax lifts by BendPak are going to absolutely change your life. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to set these lifts up and get a car in the air. And we're going to talk about what I love about the lifts, what I don't love, and if they're worth the money. Let's get into it. Ooh, a delivery for my birthday. I bet you can't guess what it is. I'll show you in a second. Yes, it is the birthday present from my wife. I will finally have a lift in this shop. Gonna be such a game changer. Once you've completed the initial setup, it's really just a matter of putting the lift in position, hand tightening the bolts into the anchors, followed up by final tightening with a 15/16 socket or a wrench. Then spread your lift arms open the entire way and start bringing the vehicle into position. Now position the pucks on the lift arms underneath the lifting points of the vehicle. Then connect both of your left and right hydraulic lines, pushing the fittings in until they click. Apply power to the pump, engage your safety latches, then start raising the vehicle. Once the vehicle's up a few inches, jounce the front and the back just to make sure it's stable on the lift before you go any higher. Once you've reached your desired height, bring the vehicle down onto the safety locks. And that's it, you're good to go. All right, now that we're up on our lift, I can finally say that we're up on our lift. And look at that, there's still space left to go up there. And there's also room on the lift as well, because you can go from here to here yet. Let's see how far in the air we are right now. Currently, we're about 39 inches high. That's absolutely perfect if you have an incline creeper, and I do know BendPak sells them. I'll probably be getting one soon. It's just so nice to be able to see the entire bottom of the car, do a good inspection on it. You got your wheels up at almost chest level. You can just pop off your lugs, take the wheel off. A little bit of a back shot here. This is such a game changer for me, and it could be for you as well. And what I love the most about these lifts is the versatility. I have these stored in an area that's about 3 foot by 4 foot. They fit perfectly in there. And then there's the obvious, I can lift a car up in my low clearance garage. But now let's talk about the things I don't like about the lifts. Are you ready? Here it comes. Nothing. There's absolutely nothing I don't love about these lifts. Maybe I don't love the price so much, but go price a standard height 2-post lift and then see if these are that expensive. BendPak is one of the best lift manufacturers in the world. And they have to be because you're trusting your life to these lifts. I plan on being on this planet for many more years to come, hopefully, and I'm not going to trust my life to a car up on some Temu specials. But you absolutely need a set of these in your own garage. And I'm not kidding when I say these will change your life. But anyway, drop me a comment down below and let me know what you think of these lifts. And if you have a set, I'd love to hear your experiences with them. Oh, and a disclaimer, I am not sponsored by BendPak in the least. But if I come across a great product like this, I'm going to talk about it. And I'm also going to let you guys know about it. But anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.